Hey, welcome. In this lecture, we are going to create all the screens. Okay, now to do this, within the screens folder, we can create a new folder and we can call this upload underscore tab underscore screens. Great. And now within this upload tab underscore screens, we can create a new file and this is going to be called general underscore screen. Then the extension is dot. And now we can create a stateless widget and this is general screen. Okay. And over here we have to use control and dot to import the material to that package. And for now, we can return a center widget. And as you know, it has the child and it can take any widget. For now, we just want to have the test widget and it's going to say general screen or general tab. And we can highlight this and use Ctrl and C to copy. And now we can create a new file. This is going to be called shipping underscore screen or shipping tab. Then the extension is dot. And I'm just going to paste this. And now we have to use Ctrl and D to alight similar name and shipping screen and shipping screen. Or you can just call your shipping tab to be a bit more specific. And the next screen we want now is going to be for the attributes, and we can just call this underscore attribute underscore tab underscore screens, then do dot, and and is this use Ctrl and D to align similar and attribute tab then screen, and over here we can then say attribute. And the last and least is going to be for the images tab underscore screen, then do dot. And also we have to paste this and Ctrl and D to align similar. Then this is going to be images tab, then screen. And this is going to be images, images tab screen. Or we can just images screen or upload images screen or whatsoever. And and now we have to go back to the upload screen and we want to use other screens over here. So get rid of the center widget and call the general screen. Add your comma because it is a list. Get rid of this and shipping screen. Get rid get rid of this and attributes tab screen. And finally, this is gonna be images images tab screen. And now we have to use control sorry we have to alight and use control and dot in order to import this. And I'm just gonna hot reload this in order to save those unsaved files. Seems good. And wait for this. And let's go check it out now. Sounds good. And you can see we have this general screen and it's coming from that newly created screen, we have the shipping screen, we have the attribute screen, and we do have the images screen. Seems really cool. Everything is working as expected. Okay, in the next lecture, we are going to continue from here.